In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by going into Recorder app and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and manage all of those however you want to, like recording file format. When you finished, go back and use this red button at the bottom to start recording. Hit Allow in the pop-up, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds, the recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To get rid of it right away, hit Cancel at the top left corner and tap on Don't Save in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, click on left button, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Pick your camera, take a pic, discard it using this X or add it using this check mark. To end and save your recording, hit Save at the top right corner. Then name it and hit Save here. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To edit it, use all of those options at the bottom. To get rid of it, hold it and click on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!